Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods, and today we're going to cook. Right, so I'm going camping soon and we're going to test out some kit here. So I recently bought a cast iron skillet, which I haven't used yet. My girlfriend got me some fire gloves. We're going to make a steak, use the tent stove again, but also we're going to test out this water heater. And make sure it works and everything's okay, no leaks, no problems before I go. So let's all put this together now. Right, so while the stove is heating up, let me just show you this little number. My missus likes a lot of coffees and teas, so I thought this might be a nice idea. So while we have a fire, we could also have some hot water. And this is how it looks. Little spout there, and then it attaches by coming across and then sliding onto the pipe, which I'll show you in a minute. Let's just fill it with water. Ooh. Done. And that just slides off. And I think there's enough room there so that it's not gonna, air can escape and stuff, but so nothing bad happens kind of thing. People keep saying, oh, don't cover it because it might explode, but there's enough give on this, so it's not high pressure. Up, and then on there, and then most of it sits on the stove, so that's quite nice. And there's lines here too. I wonder if that's how far this sits out, but let me just show you from the front. That's how it looks from the front. Alright, so we got the fire going well, we got our water cooking over here, so we're going to use this bit now and start cooking our steak. So, steak's on the grill, that's cooking nicely. The handle on the stove is not as hot as I thought it was going to be, so that's manageable. The water's doing fine, everything's going well. So while that's cooking, I just want to get a quick chat with you guys. And we are going to be having new content on the channel. I'm going to get out of my comfort zone and do stuff like this, which is cast iron cooking. And if you want to see some good cast iron cooking, check out Shovelhead. I'll put a link in the description box below, and also a card somewhere to his channel. He does a lot of cast iron cooking and he's pretty good at it. For me, I'm going to start doing more bushcraft stuff, and probably I'm going to juggle the gear review stuff as well, but I'm going to do both because I have a lot of bushcraft skills, but I just don't get a chance to show any of it because I'm always stuck either in the house or close to the house. So I am going to get out of my comfort zone and try to get out a bit more. But this smells really good. Nice. Yeah, and how's everybody else going? I hope everybody's well. I hope everybody's coming out of lockdown healthy. Let me know what videos you guys have planned. If you do make YouTube videos, let me know in the comment section below. Let's see how this is doing. Alright, so I'm not sure if you can see that, but we got bubbles. Not boiling yet, but we got bubbles. Nice. So the steak's done, so I'm gonna have that first. So as you can see, you can't see it, but you can hear it. Water's boiling now. Ooh. Ooh. Very nice. Well, that's some good steak. I'm happy with that. Got my cup of coffee. Happy with that. It's all a learning curve. I never used it before, and only my second time using the wood stove. It took a little bit longer than I expected for the water to boil, but now that it has, it's going to be hot for a long period of time. So pros and cons. Spout worked well, easy to put on and off, easy to fill, easy to pour, so all that stuff works well. So I will be using that when I go camping. No leaks or any other issues. Again, the tent stove, I'm still learning how to use that. I didn't put as many poles as I wanted to. I didn't think I needed it. Probably should have, so the smoke would be a little bit higher. But yeah, it's all a learning curve, but I'm happy with all of it. Got a nice steak for lunch. Going well. I do recommend all this stuff. I'll put some information in the description box below. If you like these videos, please leave a like and a comment. That would help the channel out a lot. And if you can, go watch my other video on my tent stove that I did. Thanks guys for watching. Catch you next video. Bye.